Welcome to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. I am Abhilasha teacher teaching you grade 4 science. I hope you have read the lesson number 2 which we have learned in previous session. So in this lesson we are going to learn new points from lesson number 2, that is reproduction in animals. Before starting, we will recall some points from previous. First, why do animals reproduce? We have seen why do animals reproduce. Second point, we have seen animals that give birth to babies. And third one, animals that lay eggs. In that we have seen birds and frog. Let's quick revise of our previous points. Why do animals reproduce? All living things grow, become old and die. The stages in a life form life cycle. They produce young ones like themselves. Lions and humans give birth to babies. Frog and birds lay eggs. Next, animals that give birth to babies. Babies are formed inside mother's body. After few weeks or months they born. Parents take care of babies. Mother feed their own milk called mammals. Example, humans, lion and cow. Animals that lay eggs. In that we have seen birds. Birds build nests to lay eggs. Yellow portion of an egg is called yolk. At the top, developing baby is called embryo. Means inside the embryo there is a developing baby. White portion is albumin. The white portion which protects the embryo is called albumin. Mother sits for incubation. In previous session we have seen about the frog also. Let us quick revise. Frog laid hundreds of eggs in pond or in a lake. From that egg, tadpoles hatch out. After some time, the tadpoles have tail and that tail will disappear. Tadpoles change into an adult frog. Frog undergoes several stages. That stages is called metamorphosis. Now in this session we are going to learn about animals that lay eggs. In that we will see insect and other egg-laying animals. First, insect. All insects lay eggs. Many of them go through several stages before they become adults. Means now you have seen in before session you have seen how the frog undergoes several stages. Like this, all insect or many insect go through several stages to become an adult. So insects, cockroaches, grasshopper, termites, and locust are some insect. Grasshopper, locust and termites also go through 3 stages. Now we'll see about the cockroaches. Cockroaches pass through 3 stages in their life. Yes, see. In the life cycle of a cockroaches, they undergoes in 3 stages. First is egg, then nymph, and then after that it become adult. The baby cockroaches that hatch out from an egg looks like adult cockroaches. Only difference is they don't have wings. Yes, that means nymph, they don't have wings, but it looks like adult cockroach. Baby cockroach is called nymph. It sheds its skin several times and change into an adult. Yes, so many times he sheds means he remove his skin, and after that they will have new skin on their body. So they undergo several means they change their skin several times, and after that they will become an adult. The shedding of an old skin is called molting. Once again, the shedding of old skin is called molting. Means they will remove their old skin. That process is called molting. We'll see the life cycle of cockroach. The adult cockroach lay eggs. From the egg, baby cockroach will come, that is called nymph, and from that they become adult cockroach. This is a life cycle of cockroach. We will see about the butterflies. Butterflies and moth go through 4 stages in their life cycle before being adults. Yes, just now you have seen the cockroaches undergo 3 stages. Like this, butterfly undergoes 4 stages. Butterfly lay eggs in a group, often underside of a leaf. Mostly they lay eggs underside of leaf. The egg hatch into young ones called larvae. Yes, from the eggs the babies are come out, that is called larvae. They look like a worm. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. Once again I will read. The larva of butterfly is called caterpillar. The caterpillar eats leaves and grows quickly. Yes, that butterfly laid egg on a leaves. When the caterpillar comes out from an egg, they eat the leaves and grow very quickly. After that, the caterpillars form a shell around its body called chrysalis. Once again I will read. The caterpillar forms a shell around its body called chrysalis. Means they will eat as much as they required, and after that they will form shell around their bodies and they undergoes the sleep. That position or that is called chrysalis. This stage is called pupal stage. Yes, you can see in this picture that caterpillars form a shell around its body. That stage is called pupal stage and that shell is called chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar slowly changes the shape. After that, an adult butterfly comes out of chrysalis. Now we will see the life cycle of butterfly. Butterfly lay eggs underside the leaf. From that, the caterpillar will hatch. The caterpillar eat the leaves and after that they form a shell around their body. After several days, the butterfly will come out from that chrysalis. This is a life cycle of butterfly. Now we will see one video. You will get how they are developing.
On the leaves of a plant. These eggs hatch and young ones called larvae or caterpillars come out of the eggs. The caterpillar first feeds on the eggshell from which it is born. It then starts feeding on the leaves and starts to grow. The caterpillar sheds its skin several times so that it can grow.
So now you have understood the life cycle of butterfly. Now we will take the quick review that animals that lay eggs. About the insect. All insect lays egg. They go through several stages in a life cycle. Cockroaches undergoes 3 stages and butterfly undergoes in 4 stages. Now we'll see other egg-laying animals. There are other animals also, they lay eggs. Fishes lay eggs in water. They lay thousands of eggs at a time. Yes, how frogs are laid eggs like this, fish also lay thousands of eggs at a time. Baby fishes hatch out of the eggs, but many of the eggs and baby fish are eaten by other fishes. Yes, they lay thousands of eggs. From that many baby fish are comes out, but they are eaten by other fishes. Snakes lay egg in a soil or in a holes in the ground. Yes, they dig a hole and in that they lay eggs. Turtle bury their eggs in the sand. Yes, turtle also dig the hole in the sand and they lay the eggs. Sea turtles dig holes in a sand on beaches and lay eggs. Then they cover the eggs with the sand and leave alone to hatch. After the young ones find their way out and crawl to the sea. You can see in this picture the small turtles are hatched out from eggs and they are growing themselves. Crocodile dig shallow pits in sandy river bank to lay their eggs. The mother covers the egg with the sand and guards them. Yes, when she will lay the egg, that time she guard the eggs by sitting there. When the babies hatch, the mother digs them out. After hatching the babies, the mother dig them out. Sometimes she carries them in her mouth or on her back. When the babies will hatch, that time what she is doing, she carries them in the mouth or sometimes in her back, and she will go in the river. Here we completed our topic. So now we will take the review of our full lesson. In this lesson, first we have seen why do animals reproduce. All living things grow, become old and they will die. Yes, all the living things can grow. After after that they become old, and when they will become old, at certain time they will die. The stages in a life forms a life cycle, means they undergoes some several stages. That stages is called life cycle. They produce young ones like themselves. Yes, the child or offspring is looking like their parents. Lions and humans give birth to the babies. They are giving birth directly to the babies. But frog and birds lay eggs. First they will lay egg. From that eggs the babies are hatched. Our second point was animals that give birth to babies. Babies are formed inside mother's body. After few weeks or months they born. Parents take care of their babies. Mother feeds own milk called mammals. Yes, the mother feeds to their child. That animals are called mammals. Example: humans, lion and cow. These are mammals. Now we'll see animals that lay. That means we will see about the insect. All insects lay eggs. Cockroaches undergo through 3 stages. Baby cockroach is called nymph. Means in the life cycle it is 3 stages. The life cycle of is of 3 stages. Now we'll see about butterfly. Butterfly go through 4 stages. Cockroaches undergoes in 3 stages, but butterfly undergoes for 4 stages in their life cycle. They lay eggs in a group. Mostly they lay eggs underside the leaves. Young one of a butterfly is called larvae. Means when the babies are come out from a egg, it called as larvae. Larva is called as caterpillar. Larva forms a shell called chrysalis. When the larva is or caterpillar is hatched out, they eat many of leaves, and after that they undergoes the pupal stage. Means in that pupal stage they form the shells around their body, that is called chrysalis, and that stage is called pupal stage. After several days they change the shape inside that chrysalis and butterfly comes out. Now we will recall other egg-laying animals. Fish lay eggs in a water. Yes, fish lay hundreds of eggs in a water. Snake lay eggs in a soil or in holes. Fish lay eggs in a water, but some of the baby fish or egg is eaten by other fish. Turtles bury their eggs in a sand. Cockroaches dig shallow pits in sandy river bank to lay eggs. Mother covers egg and guard them. When the baby crocodile hatch out, from that time the crocodile carry babies in their mouth and will go to the river. So here we completed our lesson number 2, that is reproduction in animals. You read full lesson. If you are having doubts, just underline and note down in your book. Thank you.